view just sits really nice. Perfect. Just perfect. Really beautiful dashboard. This is the dashboard. And this is the upper console. As you can see, I've customized things. I didn't do it exactly like the show, but I've used a lot of Jupiter Electronics parts and buttons and like here, this switchpod buttons, everything. Okay. Next I will show how I installed the hubs, or the hub, the quick release hub on the gullwing. Alright, so now I'm going to show how I've installed this on the gullwing. By the way, the gullwing, at the back of the gullwing, there is a thick metal sheet onto which you can screw screws. This is the quick detach. This is what I've used. Really simple. You need to take off the retaining spring. Careful with the bearings. There's a spring inside. Take it really slow and easy, and it comes out. Now, here there are holes, for original holes for screwing the steering wheel onto the hub. What I've done is that I've screwed the screws through the hub, as you can see, into the steering. Those are the kind of screws that I've used. Really simple screws. Just put them through and just screw them in place. Very, very, very hard, as you can see, into the steering and into the metal sheet. And as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've used 6 screws. You can even use more. You can use 12, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can use 12 screws. I've used 6 and I'm happy with it. It's very safe. It slides really nice. After that, after screwing the base onto the back of the wheel, you need to return the bearing. Careful with that. It's really a bit tricky, but it's doable. And then the spring back in place. I have shortened the spring, I think, about 4 or 5 centimeters or something like this, to be able to sit in place, because when you put the screws, it will raise the spring itself a little bit, and then right. It's really tricky. Gotta be careful with it. Get back together. Don't lose any of those balls, bearings, whatever you want to call them. really careful. There we go. It's back in. You can see this, the retaining thing goes back in. A bit, as I said, tricky. Maybe you need more than a set of hands. I want to help you out, but it's possible. Okay, there it is. It's back on. You can see. Very nice. Of course, this goes in on the base. Thank you for watching. Hope if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. And have fun with the Knight Rider product.